All right, you guys, I'm gonna break it down, give you some really cool little Easter eggs and pro tips along the way. Let's dive in. I'm gonna approach this as if you are a beginner, by the way. So let's just start by talking about the key signature. It's F sharp minor, which, if that looks completely foreign, that's okay. You don't need to know it, but just know that that is the basics of the foundations of where we're coming from. By the way, I can teach you that. All you gotta do is email me below. I digress. Second fret of the E string. Play that twice with your first finger and make sure it's clamped like this, okay? And then the next note, your third note here, will be the 4th fret A string. So, 2nd fret E twice. A string, 4th fret with my ring finger. Back to your root note. That's the 2nd fret. So all together we have 2, 2, 4, 2. Next note is played with my pinky finger on the 5th fret A string. Back to the 2, and then back to your 4, and then back to your root. That's the first half. One more time. Quick little pro tip as promised. Every time I'm playing these notes here with my 3rd or 4th finger, I'm slightly lifting up on the strings to mute everything in the back. That takes some time, but just try it. You're welcome. The next half is actually a little bit trickier, and it begins on the note of B. That's the A string, 2nd fret. Stay with me. I'm going to roll that finger over to start it. That's the A string, 2nd fret, and then 5th fret of the E string, 4th fret E string, 5th fret E string. So far, we've got 2, 5, 4, 5. And if you're struggling with that, just go back and forth, okay? So, next note. Going back to your note of B, that's the 2nd fret A string. And then you're back to your 5th fret of the E string. 4th fret. And the first time it shows up, the note of E, right there, that open E string. So the second half of this riff is quick pro tip, Easter egg as promised. See how flat I'm playing here, you guys? It's not a lot of this claw thing as if you're playing chords. It's flat. Everything's kind of spread out. If that's difficult for you, I might recommend trying a chromatic drill and practicing keeping your thumb on the back, you guys. Okay, so anyways, that's Crazy Train. One more time for fun. Have some fun, you guys. Show me your comments. I want to see the love. Tell me what you guys want to learn. I will teach it to you, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and a big special thanks to anyone who is a subscriber watching. I just hit 10,000 subscribers, and I'm super appreciative of that, and I did this in honor of the late, great Ozzy Osbourne. So get out there, learn a lot of Sabbath, learn some Ozzy in his honor, and I'll see you guys in the next video.